Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is an intraday for Bitcoin to see what's going on and what it might happen next. So basically, we have finished our WX and a Y here in a wave E, and we start to push for higher in an impulse toward the upside. As you can see, the price right now is ranging a little bit sideways and correctively. I would say that this is kind of like an impulse or something impulsive towards the downside. So it looks like a corrective wave. However, the timing is taking a little bit too much for a wave 2 here, unless we are unfolding double 1-2 there and we push again for higher, meaning ABC for a wave 2 and then 1-2-1-2 and then pushing again for higher prices. If we dive a little bit much more deeper in the micro level, you have 5 waves up, wave 1-2 and then another impulse up and 1-2. But be careful, of course, it might be also a zigzag, which it might be, of course, still an ABC and then pushing for lower. In this case scenario, well, then we gotta be careful. If we take this low, then we form a diagonal. So we gotta be careful with this scenario, meaning this low is confirmation for lower. Here we go. So confirmation for lower, and that means, of course, you might form a diagonal here. So we gotta be careful with it. Even if you want, I would say this is confirmation for lower even before taking this low. Why? Because of course, if we invalidate the first 1-2 here, if this 1-2 is invalidated, then okay, the double 1-2 is already invalidated. So therefore, 89k 600 would be invalidation already. So be careful with it. If we take a look also on the KGT, we see of course a lot of selling pressure again. So we gotta else, nothing else here. We can say then that it might drop down, guys. So we have still, of course, some selling pressure, so very likely that we form this diagonal. So be careful with it. If this will happen, well, then of course we have to consider then this is a much more complex structure there, and if we push for lower, then this might be something, of course, as a big WX and a Y, guys, in this form, meaning not a diagonal here, meaning this is kind of like an ABC or WXNY as well, but very, very complex structure. Again, of course, it might turn into something for lower. However, confirmation for this is still not taken yet, but be careful, it might take it. And of course, based on the indicators, we are looking at the KGT as well. We see, of course, a lot of selling pressure also on the 15-minute chart. We are in a bearish cross there. For the RSI is still, of course, above it, but it can be broken. Let me check the 1 hour as well. We are pushing a little bit lower as well. It is still open here, the signal line and the MACD line. So I would say, yeah, we gotta be careful with it. I would say confirmation. I will not confirm it before, of course, we take this price. If the price will dump here and take this level, then okay, the 1-2 are invalidated. Then this is an ABC, and we push for lower. Yep. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.